Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, welcome to SD Islam Trate Putih Global, my school, my pride. Especially to you my lovely student, welcome back in my virtual class with me, Mrs. Linda Aurina, learning English, be focused, be fun. Okay, before we start the lesson, let's say basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you today? I hope you are all in a good condition. In this video, we are going to learn about Unit 2. But before we start, I want to ask you something. Do you know what is the meaning of genealogies? And do you know who is your ancestor? Your great-grandparents? And do you have relationship with those people? You don't know? Okay, now let's go back to the past time. Look, Indonesia was so terrible. Do you know why? Yeah, Indonesia was in a colonial time. Many centuries ago, there were so many wars in our country. Now, are there wars anymore? Yes, maybe, because this is a war. Yeah, and we have to face this one. Okay, just be careful to you. We are going to celebrate our Independence Day. What are we going to give to our country? I hope someday you can reach your success like these students. They are so talented students. Especially to you, my student, study diligently, be nice, be a good children. Don't forget to keep your praying to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Okay, let's start studying now. Simple and past continuous, students book page 18 and 19 and also workbook page 14 and 15. Nah, tenses ini digunakan untuk membicarakan masa lampau atau past time. Past simple. We use the past simple for action that started and finished in the past. Action that happened one after the other in the past. And for past habits. Past simple formulas. Dalam kalimat positif, subjek she, he, it, they, we, I, atau you, kita tambahkan dengan verb 2, kemudian diikuti keterangan yang lain. Dalam kalimat negatif, subjek she, he, it, they, we, I, atau you, kita tambah dengan didn't dan diikuti verb 1 dan keterangan yang lain. Dalam yes no questions, diawali dengan did, kemudian ditambah subjek, diikuti verb 1 dan keterangan yang lain. Dalam kalimat tanya, misalnya what did, diikuti dengan subjek dan ditambah verb 1 dan keterangan yang lain, jangan lupa question mark atau tanda tanya. Past simple, time expression. Last night, yesterday, last month, last week, 2 days ago, 1 year ago, a century ago, and the other. Last Monday, last Tuesday, and the other. Past simple example. Silakan dilihat kalimatnya. The genealogist discovered an amazing fact about our family last week. Nah, discovered di sini adalah verb 2 dan last week di sini adalah time expression-nya. She turned on the computer, found the correct website, and typed our family name. Nah, kata yang dicetak merah ini adalah verb 2. Pertanyaan yes no. Did children play games in the past generation? Nah, di sini diawali dengan did. Nah, kata kerjanya adalah kata kerja pertama. Next, I ate fried rice last night. Nah, ate di sini adalah verb to atau verb 2. Sekarang kita masuk ke past continuous. We use the past continuous for action that were in progress at a specific time in the past. For more two or more action that were happening at the same time in the past. Or for setting the scene of a story. Past continuous formula. Dalam kalimat positif, subjek she, he, it, atau I ditambahkan dengan to be was, ditambah verb ing, dan keterangan yang lain. Dalam negative sentence, subjek she, he, it, atau I ditambah to be wasn't, diikuti verb ing, dan keterangan yang lain. Yes, no question? Was ditambah subjek, diikuti verb ing, dan keterangan yang lain. Question. What was ditambah dengan subjek, diikuti verb ing, dan keterangan yang lain. Past continuous formula untuk subjek they, we, atau you. To be-nya adalah were, diikuti verb ing, dan keterangan yang lain. In negatifnya, they, we, atau you, plus to be weren't, diikuti verb ing, dan keterangan yang lain. Yes, no question, diawali dengan were, ditambah subjek, ditambah verb ing, dan keterangan yang lain. Dalam kalimat pertanyaan, what were ditambahkan subjeknya, diikuti verb ing, dan ditambahkan keterangan yang lain. Jangan lupa tanda tanya atau question mark. Past continuous example. Kita perhatikan contohnya. Rhea was writing about her family last night. Jadi Rhea sedang menulis tadi malam. To be-nya was tambah verb ing. I was watching a film and my grandpa was sleeping. Di sini ada kata and. Nah, kalau ada and, maka dari itu dia menggunakan tenses yang sama. Di sini dua-duanya menggunakan past continuous. Was watching, was sleeping. To be tambah verb ing. It was getting cold and dark at the archaeological site. They were studying math at 8 last night. We can use both past simple and past continuous. We can add as, when, and while. To show that one action interrupted another in the past or tell a story. We usually use as, when, and while to connect to action. Jadi kita menggunakan kata as, when, and while untuk menggabungkan past simple dan past continuous. Nah, ini ciri-cirinya. We use as and while usually come before the past continuous. Jadi kata as atau while itu sebelum past continuous biasanya ya. Next, we use when usually come before the past simple. Kalau when itu muncul sebelum past simple. Sekarang example. As or while. Pilih salah satu nih boleh ya. As or while they were looking at their family tree and his phone rang. Ini adalah past tense atau past simple. Nah, setelah as atau while itu diikuti dengan past continuous to be verb ing. Ini adalah ciri-cirinya. Next, they were visiting their great-grandparents when the earthquake happened. Di sini ada kata when. Nah, setelah kata when itu menggunakan past simple atau verb 2. Ini dia happened. Bagaimana? Ya memang, some people say that learning grammar is the most difficult, but don't worry. Next, I was reading a book when my dad came home last night. Di sini ada kata when lagi. Nah, kemudian diikuti dengan past simple yaitu verb 2. Sekarang kita masuk ke student's book. Page 18, exercise 4. Nah, vocabulary ini nanti akan digunakan untuk mengisi exercise for page 18 ya. Apa aja? Ancestors, genealogies, generation, great-grandparent, related to, trace, and DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Nah, kata ini nanti digunakan untuk mengisi latihan ya. Let's go. Number 1. My grandma's mom and dad are my great-grandparent atau kakek buyut. Ditulis ya. Number 2. My aunt used a special website to blah 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 our family's history. Ya, trace. Melacak. Number 3. Blah 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 testing can tell us about the history of human population. DNA testing. Yeah. And number 4. A blah 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 helps people to find out about their family history. A genealogist. Number 5. Even my great-grandparents came to our big family celebration. There were 4 blah 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 there. Generation. Number 6. My cousin researched our family to find out about our ancestor atau leluhur. He discovered that we are related to a well-known artist. Wow, that's amazing. Next, go to Students Book, page 19, exercise 5. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. My great-grandfather shipped blah 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 in 1940. Ya, ini adalah past simple atau past tense. Kita menggunakan verb 2 yaitu sang. Number 2. The genealogist blah 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 any new information this week. Ini juga past simple. Kita cari yang past simple. Ya, ini negatif. Didn't discover. Number 3. Why was blah 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 in Paris in 1950? Di sini ada kata was, berarti ini adalah past continuous. Kita cari yang past continuous yang menggunakan verb ing. Ini dia. Why was great-grandma studying in Paris in 1950? Okay. Number 4. As blah 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 her history project, her mom called. Ada kata as. Diikuti dengan past continuous yang ada verb ing-nya. Ini dia. As Karen was finishing her history project, her mom called. Number 5. I was reading about lost generation, blah blah blah, the lights went out. Ini adalah past simple. Jadi sebelum past simple adalah kata when biasanya. Ada when? Ini dia when. Number 6. Where was Costas digging when he blah 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 across the pond? Setelah kata when diikuti dengan past simple yaitu verb 2. Kita cari verb 2. Came. Ya. Oke, workbook page 14 exercise 1. Unit 2, discovering the past. Lesson 1, complete the sentences with this word. Nanti kita menggunakan kata ini untuk mengisi bagian yang kosong. Miss Linda hanya akan menuliskan angkanya saja di atas dan nanti kalian pindahkan ke bagian yang kosong ya. Oke, number 1 sudah dijawab. DNA testing can tell you about your distant ancestor. Oke, go to number 2. Why did you want to blah 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 your family history? Okay, you want to trace. Number 3. A blah 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 is a professional family history researcher. Yeah, genealogist. Number 4. Did you know that Philip is blah 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 to a famous scientist? Good, related to. Number 5. I don't know much about previous blah 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 of my family. Our previous generation. Number 6. Many of my blah 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 came from Spain. Good, many of my ancestors. And the last, number 7. One of my great-grandparents is 90 years old next week. Okay. Now let's go to workbook page 15, exercise 4. Complete these sentences with the correct form of the past simple or the past continuous of the verb in brackets. Number 1. While Murray was working at the newspaper, he wrote an article about family history. Was working adalah past continuous. Di sini adalah wrote, verb 2. Ini wrote adalah verb 2, dia adalah past simple. Kita coba nomor 2. Dad blah 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 about ancient history and mom was watching the news. Ada kata and di sini. Kemudian di sini adalah past continuous, to be plus verb ing. Di sini juga to be plus verb ing, was reading. Okay, now number 3. The ship blah 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 in 1899. Nah, ini adalah past simple. Kita gunakan verb 2. Verb 2 dari sing adalah sang. Sang. The ship sank in 1899. Number 4. My great-grandmother's story, blah blah blah, more and more interesting every minute. Ini past continuous, ya. To be-nya was. Kenapa was? Karena hanya satu nih story. Kalau banyak stories, to be-nya were. Ditambah verb ing, becoming. Next, number 5. When blah 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 the first DNA testing. When did? Karena di sini nggak ada to be ya. Jadi when did the first DNA testing? Verb 1. Take place. Number 6. He arrived at the library, blah blah blah, the computer, and started typing in his family name. Started, verb 2. Arrived, verb 2. Tidak ada kata as atau while, berarti ini juga verb 2. Headed for. Headed for. Okay. Next, workbook page 15, exercise 6. Yeah, this is the last exercise. Complete the paragraph with the correct form of the past simple or the past continuous of this verb. Nah, nanti kita gunakan kata ini untuk mengisi bagian yang kosong. Kita akan ubah menjadi past simple atau past continuous. Ready? Let's go. My dad told me a really interesting story about my great-grandfather. He came to live in the city when he was 18 and blah 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 there for 4 years. Nah, ada kata and di sini ya. Berarti kita menggunakan verb 2. Stayed. Tinggal di sana. Next. He blah 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 at a film studio the whole time. Jadi dulu itu dia sedang kerja di sana. Berarti apa? He was working. To be plus verb ing. Continue. And he blah 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 to get bored of the job. Dan dia didn't seem, tidak merasa. Ya, ini dia not seem jadi didn't seem, pakai past simple. Next, because he never blah 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 a single day's holiday. He never. Nah, ini dia take menjadi took karena ini past simple. Because he never took a single day's holiday. Then one day while he blah 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 to the studio, ada kata while di sini ya. Ini dia while berarti ini past continuous. He was walking. Dia sedang jalan saat itu. While he was walking to the studio, he blah 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 a poster advertising jobs in Australia. Okay, he saw, melihat verb 2-nya saw. 2 weeks later, he blah 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 on the harbor side waiting for his ship to arrive. Tinggal satu. Ya, jawabannya adalah was standing. Oke, alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Learning English, be focused, be fun.